Yo, what's good, millionaire gangs? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your boy Cocos FX, and in today's video I have a surprise for you guys. I want to show you guys something. Guess what? I know you're not good at guessing, so I have a surprise package for you guys. And you guys will be like, Cocos, what do you have for us? Go straight to the point. Alright, I'm about to go straight to the point right now because I have something that will amaze you all and something that will motivate you all. And I know you are anticipating this stuff. I should just go straight to the point. Alright, before that, what's good, guys? I'm Cocos FX, and in this my YouTube channel I document my journey as a developing forex trader until I become that dream forex trader that I pray every day of becoming and I work towards every day of becoming. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my new setup. I got a new setup, and I want to be sharing with you guys to show you guys where I started from and how it's going currently. So if you want to see this setup, drop it in the comments. Show us your setup, man. So let's go without wasting much of your time. Let's go. Let's get it done. So I'm gonna be going to my setup right now. Okay, even before that, this was me. This was my setup. I was actually using a blog as my setup, studying with a blog, writing on a blog. So today I will show you guys my setup. So come, let's go. So guys, this, you can't see behind me. Let me open the window. Okay, I'm gonna be opening a window, guys. I know this place is getting dark, and I want you guys to be like, bro, are you living in a cage? So I'm gonna be opening a window. I call it my secret window because most of the time my door will be locked, my window will be locked. Don't mind the door. So everywhere will be dark, and I need a source of lightning. So let me open the secret window with you guys. I call it a secret window because I want to be inside there and the door will be locked, the window will be locked, and this place will be open, but no one will know that I'm in the house. I don't need distraction. So I'm going to open this place right now. I'm going to open it. It's somehow customized. Customized window. Boom. That's it. That's why I call it a secret window, because if you see here from outside, you will know that someone is inside here. So let me turn the camera so that I'm gonna be a little bit brighter. Yeah. So guys, I'm in my setup right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how the setup looks like. So let me show you guys how it looks like. So guys, this is my setup. This is where I study. this is how it looks like. So this is my chair right here. This is my chair, and this is my table, and these are my books. These are my books. And you know, sometimes you might be back testing and you feel bored, so I got the headset. And I know that most of you guys will be like, Cocos, that's amazing, or probably it is not something for you guys because probably some of you guys are rich, and you'll be like, is this the surprise? My brother, is a surprise because I know I was using a block to write, man, and I've gotten a plastic chair and a plastic table. Is that not something to be grateful for? So I'm gonna be telling you guys the price of all this stuff, how much it worth, and that's gonna be for the video. So let me turn the camera now to show you guys the prices of this stuff. So guys, as you can see, this table, the plastic table goes for, I bought it for 12,000 naira. That's around $8. And the chair, I got it for 7,500. That's around $4 something. And my headset, I got it for 10,000 naira. That's around $6 or $7 plus. So that's it. And these are my books. Read what I have here. Slow and steady wins the race. Generational wealth takes process. Showing up every day conquers the doubt. You know what that means? If you know, you know. And these are my books. These are my writing materials. I have my one pen here. I have another pen here, and I say I have more pen inside here, and that's my book there. And actually, my setup is inside my kitchen because actually I cook inside here. As you can see that pot behind me. So this is where I cook. But food is not my problem. So I have to take the food one side first and then have my setup. Even though food is a problem, but I have to do it according to the what. So I have one side here for my kitchen and utensils, and then I have my setup here, and that's it. Remember, I started from using a block, using a block to study, and now I have my table. Is that something to be grateful for? That's something to be grateful for. So let's go to the window and let me tell you guys something. So guys, thank you for watching this video right now. Probably most of you guys have been motivated that just start with what you have. When I started learning forex trading, I started with a blog, and now I have a plastic table to work with. That's something to be grateful for. And the main reason why I recorded the video, I actually recorded the video for my future self. I didn't record it for anyone to tell me, bro, keep it up, keep pushing. I don't need anybody to tell me that, because I already know what I want. I'm not trying to be, I'm not trying to be proud of myself. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is that you don't need anybody to upload you before you take your life serious, man. You don't need anybody to tell you that, bro, you're doing good. Yeah. You don't need any of that. So, but at the same, but simultaneously, I'm thanking you guys for watching the video and supporting me for the word of encouragement and all the good words you guys have been dropping on my comments. But the main reason I recorded this video is for my future self, because probably tomorrow I'm gonna be a mentor and I'm gonna mentor some students, and by that time I'll be that millionaire forex trader that I dream every day of becoming, and my students will be like, I want to become like a mentor, I want to become like a mentor, I want to buy the Lambo, I want to buy the house, I want to do this, and I'll tell them it's a step-by-step process. Go to my videos few years ago and then you see where I started from. That's the main essence of me recording the video right now, and that's it. So guys, thank you for watching. I guess this video was insightful. I guess it was entertaining. You know what? Hit the subscribe button, because if you don't hit the subscribe button, I'm going to take your stop loss. And when I take your stop loss, you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna go against your daily limit drawdown. So subscribe to the channel. I'm not gonna take your stop loss. I'm gonna tight your stop loss, and then market you take you out. Then market to stop you out, and then go your direction. Have you ever had that kind of experience before, whereby you enter a trade, you put your stop loss, please take profit, market first take you out, like market stopped you out and then went to your target? That's crazy. I'm not gonna do that. I'm a child of God. I'm a child of God. So hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the millionaire gangs, man. Join the millionaire gangs. Join the moving train. Let's go. Let's keep documenting this shit until we get to our goal. So guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys for watching. And that's it for today. Nothing to show you guys again. Just have my setup right here, and I have my small bed right here. Don't mind the bed. Don't mind the bed, guys. It's a throwback bed. The bed is a throwback bed. So, and the setup is a throwback setup. Like everything happening here is a throwback, and even me talking to you now is a throwback. Because some few years from now, it's gonna be my throwback. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and remain blessed. See you guys in the next video, and take care of yourself. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. Don't over risk. Learn money management. Understand me? Don't over risk. It's not a get rich quick scheme.